ready.
Alright, ready.
Okay.
With MikelineTv, he's posting best speeder. Can contain 6 basketball hobby packs plus 1 red, white, and blue.
Yeah, I bought it from this Walmart on Watt Avenue. So let's see which ones that James passed up on here. Okay. This is the red, white, and blue. Supposedly is that one. No, that's just a plain old prism. I think he passed up on only on this regular Panini stuff here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh god, that was a 6. And there's the red, white, and blue. It's got Clyde Drexler here. And one other. You get one of these particular players here. Let's see which one I got. I got the Carson Wentz.
Oh, cool.
Very nice. Now, why do they put this football in a basketball box? Who knows? You know why? Because they also put Ben Simmons on here. So this is Philadelphia. This is numbered out of 49.99. See at the very bottom there where it says the next LeBron, it says 3,600. So that's an even number. So I guess I will bust through the Panini right here, right now. Well, let's see if I get anyone here particular here. Let's see if it's able to. I'm only going to read out the names that I know, or James knows here. You can call it out when you want.
Or Roger Rondo.
Night School. Okay. So that's the first pack. Remember, these were taken out of the hobby shop and sent to retail. I thought it was going to be all different hobby packs, but it's all the same. So it gives you an idea if you really want to buy this box or not. Okay. Didn't Ty Lawson play for the Kings now?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, we got the little
Nice.
preparation. LeBron.
Crab, Ricky. And.
Some Luigi Datome. Yeah. This could be a long video, you know how slow I am. Okay. We'll continue on the third pack. Maybe again, auto of some sort. Kyrie Irving. James Harden. Oh, same guy again from the last pack. Same ones here. Oh, we got a little night school. Russell Westbrook. I do collect Russell Westbrook.
A rookie of Glenn Rice Jr. Cody Zeller.
That's that pack. I don't know if I got my money's worth for this. Alright. He's not from the Jonas. Derek Rose. Often injured. Now with the Mavericks, Harrison Barnes. John Wall. Got Panini top 10 Anthony Bennett. He was a flop.
Ricky Otto Porter. And Honest Anticipo.
Yeah, I wouldn't be able to pronounce that name. It's more like 13 letters. Yeah, 13 letters in his name. Final regular Panini. Then we'll get to the Prism and then the red, white, and blue that you saw. Yeah, I can't believe Joe Johnson's up there in the career numbers. Figure out which ones they are. You'd be surprised. Oh, a player that the Kings should not have gotten rid of, but they did.
Yeah.
I don't see that many old school players of mine here. Same guy, same guy. Been hearing about this guy. Panini top 10, Victor Oladipo. Sorry I butchered your name. Ha. Oh, there's that Luigi guy again. And the Anthony Bennett. Now, clearly, I did not get my money's worth. Unless I get an auto out of this Prism. I can't second guess. I should have gone with the 11 baseball. Okay, Derek Rose. Josh Smith. Kemba Walker, Carlos Boozer, Dominance, Dwayne Wade, now with the Chicago Bulls, and a Moses Malone. So far, the Panini Prisms are better. Now the red, white, and blue. Hey, Clyde Drexler. I do PC him. Well, you already saw this one. Kevin Love, who I do not PC. And the last one I do PC is Scottie Pippen. So far, of all the packs, the Panini red, white, and blue was worth it. The rest of the packs sucked. Alright. So that's it. And that's all from inside James Long's car. Thank you for watching Mikeline here on the Global Satellite Network. Okay,